What a hot day, and with nothing of interest to do. A boring book. The daisies are much too far away.
A letter. I need to send this fast. I'll be late.
And just another average rabbit.
Wait, a rabbit can't carry paper? Stop running! What? Are you a photon? If you're not a photon, then you shouldn't run that fast.
And then how come only photons can run?
Because photons are carrying important information. If you were carrying information as important as a photon was, then you'd be running faster.
Information, messages, like the rabbit. But photons are particles of light. How can particles of light hold messages? How can a rabbit be a particle of light?
It's really healthy to be partially light. You should try it sometimes. You'll be the lightest of all.
I'll pass.
Pity.
Hello.
What was that?
Right here.
What are you? No, wait, where'd you go?
Silly. You can't know what I am and where I am at the same time.
Why not?
Well, the second you find out what I am, you lose bearing of my location. You destroy information on one once you've found something about the other.
I don't think that's right. At all.
Well, take it up with Heisenberg. That's his uncertainty theory, but it's being put to good use for Bob right now.
Wait, who is Heisenberg? And Bob?
If I tell you, you lose information on their locations.
You're not making any sense. Why must you continue to speak in riddles? You're downright cryptographic.
Oh yes, we're all cryptographic here.
I'm not.
You must be, otherwise, you wouldn't be.
Wait, don't disappear on me! No, now I don't know what it is, or where he is.
Oh, no room!
What do you mean? There's plenty of room here.
Just because you can see it doesn't mean it's there. If everybody could see what was there, that would be bad news for Bob.
Okay, who is this Bob?
Oh, I mustn't talk of Bob. That's reserved for the court.
Why is Bob in court? Okay, fine. What were you saying about that other thing about how things aren't always as they seem?
Have you never seen a rabbit scurrying around? A rabbit sends a letter to Bob. And let's say if someone was to tip over the poor rabbit and steal the letter, they can't read it. And that's because the message is encrypted with a secret code, with a secret key that only the sender and Bob knows. Not even the rabbit knows about it.
Okay, that actually makes sense for once. So say like these messages are encrypted with some really large numbers is the key?
Numbers? Math? Heavens no. Humans can do math, mice can do math, rabbits can do math, queens can...
Okay, but I mean like really hard math, like the type that couldn't be solved in under 1 million years.
Sha, just because no one can do it today doesn't mean no one can do it tomorrow. This is a lasting method, and you can actually tell when someone is eavesdropping.
How?
Tell me, you know about Heisenberg, right? Destroying information once you find it, ring any bells there? Destruction causes errors in the message that are quite plain to see.
But, okay, that's actually pretty amazing then. Like, imagine if we tried using that back home. Imagine the future impacts, like the internet, everything that uses cryptography, like banking and what else, like passwords, everything with sensitive information. Oh my god, and stuff like real banking, even national security. It could all change.
I am proud to say I understood nothing of what you said. You are a true cryptologist.
There you are! So you're the root of this.
Who are you? You don't seem like a servant of the Red Queen.
Oh, no. I just got here today and learned a lot about a lot of things, especially your mode of cryptography.
You know what that is?
Somewhat, but I would like to learn more, but also I really want to know who Bob is.
You seem trustworthy. I guess as long as you're here, you'll have to know what Red Queen.
The Red Queen has ruled over the land for many years, confidently and with the iron fist, or iron axe, you may say, since her punishment of choice is sentencing citizens to execution over increasingly ridiculous reasons. Now we have Bob. He used to be a guard of the Queen, but was recently jailed for painting her roses white instead of red. He'll be in court later today, which means you can probably expect him to be missing a head soon.
citizens are fed up with this treatment. Bob is just the last straw. I've been sending him letters on behalf of everyone. Escape plans are first, now more court arguments. We refuse to see another be treated like this. That does sound awful. Is there any way I can help? Well, you seem to learn a lot about cryptography here. I think it's about time that someone else writes letters. I would love to, but how?
Firstly, you'll need to actually write a letter and encrypt it to create your key. Then you'll pass our letter on to our photons, which is what we call our runners, like the rabbit.
Why do you call them that?
Have you seen them run? They're faster than the speed of light.
Anyway, while all the electrons set off the fiber optics road, they're all headed in the same direction, towards Bob, but they move in different ways, which we call their polarization. They can move in an up-down position, a left-right position, a up-left right-down position, or a up-right left-down position. You'll be able to manipulate doors to allow them to pass. We call these polarizers. You can set your polarizer to a rectilinear filter for the up, down, and left, right photons to pass, or a diagonal one for the up, left, right, down, and up, right, left, down photons to pass through. Bob also has a polarizer, which he chooses the setting for randomly. Sometimes it's correct, and sometimes it's not, and the photons have to change to pass through. On Insecure Channel, you can tell Bob what polarizer you used, but do not tell him the polarization.
Then two diagonal, then another rectilinear.
And Bob will discard the photons he used the wrong polarizer for.
Rectilinear, I don't need you.
Now you two are left with a matching sequence, which becomes your one-time pad. Bob can use it to decrypt the key and read your message.
Is that mumbling I hear? Has the imprisonment finally gotten to him? Or cryptography? Well, if they're sending the little messages, then three can play a game. Eve, come here!
Yes.
Take out your phone polarizer, it's time to intercept some messages.
I use the random polarizer and I don't know which one I write, which one I...
Then another rectilinear.
But our results are different.
What does that mean?
Okay, I know what this means. We have an eavesdropper.
What should we do?
Okay, let's compare results. I got 1 0 1 1.
0.
0 0 0 0.
No. 1 1 0 1.
Okay, our error rates are too high. I think we should just abort this communication.
Right.
It's time for the trial.
I know many of you have different opinions on the severity of this boy's crime, but I assure you it's quite an offense. And new evidence has come to light as well.
Eve, I found this list in Bob's room. As I can see, he's trying to kill the queen.
Exactly. Look at this. Only someone crazy would do something like this. And you know what else someone crazy would do? Try to kill their lovely monarch. I think the verdict is very clear. Eve, off with his head. Wait! It's not nonsense. It's just cryptography. Surely you guys all know that by now. He may have been receiving secret messages, but that doesn't mean that he knows done some sort of crime. You can't tell what it's saying.
Alice, wake up. Your friend Bob is here.
Hey,